So sit. Who are all those guys? Sit.
Lightning Queen, Jessie, Whitney, Jessie, Whitney, Jessie, Woody, Bullseye, Rex, and Lightning.
Which one's your favorite?
Jessie.
Why?
Jessie and Bullseye.
Why are they your favorite?
Because they're my toys.
Yeah, but what do you like about them? Are Jessie and Woody friends?
Lightning, Rex, Bullseye, Woody, Jessie. They're my favorite guys. And Lightning Queen.